all having a good time. Today is giveaway time. Got some friends over here. Yeah. Chilling out. We chilling out, guys. Let me get in front of my screens to record the giveaway. And I wish you all good luck, guys. Thank you for your support, man. You're the best. Alright guys, alright, what's up? Like you all know, it's giveaway time. I already said that. So, what we're gonna do today is, first of all, let me share my screen with you guys. Alright guys, for all of you who are not part of the inner circle, but who thinking about joining really soon, I'm gonna drop a coupon code for all of you who cannot win the giveaway today. So stay tuned in the Telegram channel. Make sure to check the links in the description. There you find my Telegram channel, my free public Telegram channel, where I share student feedback, some trades or motivational content, and like where I keep you guys updated about what's going on. Yeah, click the link to join the Telegram channel if you're not in yet. And then, yeah, I will drop a coupon code for everybody who cannot win the giveaway today. So, guys, what you can win today, I already said that. I'm sure it is like 5 times the Genius Trading Masterclass course plus a lifetime membership in the inner circle. And I think 3 of you can get a one-on-one mentorship call as well. And if someone from the inner circle wins the giveaway, then he will get $250 plus one-on-one mentorship call with me, okay? Where he can ask me every question that he has, okay? So, yeah, why it's so important to join the masterclass, guys? First of all, because you're gonna learn the skill set of a consistently profitable trader, and of course, because you have the community, the background that will help you to get on top. Like we have a great group chat culture where everybody helps each other. And yeah, this course is not only about trading, guys, okay? We have a big mindset and psychology part where I tell you what life is all about, like how to live a good life, you know, and what you need to live a good life, and how to set goals and dreams, how to make your vision, and yeah, it's just inspiring, you know. It's not only about trading, guys, it's about living a good life as well, okay? So yeah, so I would say let's start, guys. Let me go to the random comment picker. Let me open the random comment picker for YouTube. Alright, so guys, the first video, let's start with my people, Mighty McFluff and Jupiter. The song Low Dose. For all of you who don't know this song, let's listen to it while I'm making the giveaway. Alright guys, I have to say, guys, I need to filter the duplicate users because I want to make it fair for all of you, okay? I want to make it fair for all of you, so everybody got the same chance. Everybody got the same chance to win, all right? We had someone who dropped like 500 comments or something like that. Bro, make sure to drop me a message in Telegram. If you will not win this giveaway, I will give you something cool as well, okay? Because you show so much effort, man. You created like 6 accounts to drop like 500 comments, bro. What the fuck is going on with you, bro? Man, my Saturday was different, man. I was not spamming the YouTube comment section, bro. I was in the bar street having some fun with my people. Like they look, check this out, guys. I mean, they chilling in the pool, having some fun right now. You only see Henrik. You only see Henrik right now. Okay, but anyways, guys. Okay, so we filtered the duplicate users. Let's pick the first winner, guys. Let's see how many comments we have. How many single comments do we have? Oh, it takes some time, but 493 people have commented, guys. That's amazing. That's really amazing, and I really appreciate that, guys. That's really nice of you. Okay, thank you so much. Now let's pick the first winner, guys. $100 trading capital, plus Genius Trading Masterclass course and Inner Circle membership, plus one-on-one mentorship call after you finish the course. Let's go. I need my solo. In ghost mode. Hey, Yobi Gamer. Music is so cool, but I hope in the future from you use lyrics to be easy for us. Alright, buddy. Alright. We're gonna put the lyrics in the description, and then you can translate them. Alright. Let's go, my man. So you're the first one, bro. Show me that it's your YouTube account, and then we're gonna fix the rest. Alright. Now let's pick another winner. This was number one. On this video we searched for 3 winners, alright? 3 winners. Hannah Ann. Great, man, keep it up. Hannah, you won, congratulations. Thank you for your support. And now drop me a message in Telegram, show me that it's your YouTube account, and we're gonna fix the rest. Let's get it. Okay, one more. Who we got? Renee, yeah, Renee, you got it, bro. You got it. All right, man. Drop me a message, and you know what's going on. All right. So that's it. So the next video was this one, where I banked 1.7 million, and where I talked about bad clusters, about clusters of good luck, clusters of bad luck. And that's very important that you guys need to stick to your strategy. Yeah, but anyways, and of course how to scale in on winning trades, guys. This is the main thing, like cutting your losses quickly. But when you've got a good trade and it's trending, you have to be in big time, okay? Never forget that. That's very important. That's why most traders cannot get profitable. Alright, so this one, we already put the link inside. Let's see how many of you have commented this one. I'm sure we have some organic comments as well, because this thing has moved viral, like boom. And that's just because of you guys. I really appreciate your help, guys. Really, you push my channel like a rocket launcher. Thank you. So let's stop talking, get into business, guys. Who is the winner? Okay, Roto, you got it, bro. You got it. Drop me a message, show me that it's your YouTube account, and then you know what's popping. Let's go. Let's pick another one. I don't want to waste your time, so let's speed up the process a little bit. Jura Milkovic, my man, keep it up, bro. You too, man. Thank you for dropping the comment. So now we already picked 5 winners, but today I got a good day, so let's pick another one. All right, let's pick another one, guys. Ooh-wee! But first of all, let me show you another track from my people, guys. Wait. Mighty Mac Fluff ET, guys. This one is a banger, man. Ooh. Oh, fuck this advertisement. Alright. This one's so sick. Hey.
als der ich dich nie sehe. Für mich so, als der ich dich nie sehe.
Ey, ey.
Und ja nie wieder, Bro. Mentalität.
Alright, let's pick another winner, guys. Let's pick another one. Ooh! Let's get it. Let's go. Das ist ja, ey. Meines denke groß und nicht klein, ja. Who is the winner? Who is the winner, guys? Who is the winner? Oh, we don't know. Ooh, ooh.
Over the rainbow vor den Hawaiianer. Ja, nur Liebe, Bro, so wie Dalai Lama. Ich mach Karriere, Bro, dort ist Marihuana. In die Stratosphäre, Bro, ja, das sagt mein Karma.
Hey,
10 von 10 auf einer Skala.
hey. Drop me a message, bro. Drop me a message, bro. Let's get it, man. I wish you guys a nice Sunday. Keep it up, man. Much love. Peace out.
Fly me through the moon, forget